Hi everyone, and welcome to a virtual tour for you at Flamingo in Las Vegas, a room tour. Let's take a look inside, shall we? So to the right is of course the bathroom. Left side you have the closet with the light. Your dresser is in the closet. Moving to the main room area. This is a king size bed. Perfect lighting for this room. And move towards the back. And as you see on the left, you got a place to eat, a table to set up or work. Here's the view. We had a view of that high roller and the Flamingo park area. So this nice view room. You do have a couch, 2 dressers on both sides of the bed. You do have a charging station or plug-in station. You do get some little cubbies if you want to put your things. There is a fridge for this room. And of course the safe. Cute flamingo photos, paintings. And a thermostat right there by the pictures. Moving another view of the closet, you have hangers, inside iron board, iron. On the way to the bathroom, you do just have a shower and just a shower curtain. I do not like that it doesn't have a door, but still a pretty nice shower. Your shampoos, conditioner, body wash. Towels at the bottom. Hair dryer, extra toilet paper. Hand towels. You do have a bar of soap for your hands. Looks like a makeup mirror at the end. And just a tissue box. And lotion. And just a quick overview of the room again. Flamingo is a nice hotel room. I highly recommend. Wish the shower had a door, but other than that, this is a good room. Hope you enjoy the tour.